There. I think my project is just about finished, but I feel like it's missing something, and I don't know what.
I went to the Maker Studio to get a 3D model of my project. It really helped get my idea across.
The Maker Studio? I thought that space was just for certain classes.
What? No way. Anyone can use it. Students, staff, faculty, even the community.
Really? What's in the space?
There's 3D printers, wood carving machines, vinyl cutters, a laser cutter, embroidery machines, electronics, sewing machines, and more. All of it is free to use.
Wow, that all sounds great, but also sounds super hard to learn.
There's always staff there to help you. And they have great workshops and orientations that show you what to do right from the beginning of your project. When I started, I had no idea what I was doing, but I took a 3D modeling workshop and then they printed my model.
Huh, is it expensive?
Actually, it was free.
Free? That's amazing!
Yeah, there is some limitations, but they don't charge you for any of your 3D prints.
Well, I really want to go, but I have classes all day.
They're open Monday to Friday, 10 to 4.
That's great. Let's go right now.
Let's go!
Free? That's amazing!
Line? Line?
What?
Oh.
Just kidding.